Forgotten your Discord password? Don't worry. Regaining access is easier than you think. First, head over to the Discord login page. You can usually find this by searching for Discord login on Google or by going directly to Discord.com on the login screen. Beneath the username and password fields, you'll see a small blue link that says Forgot Your Password. Click on that link. This will take you to the password reset page here. You'll need to enter the email address that is associated with your Discord account. Make sure you type it exactly as you registered it, paying close attention to spelling and any numbers or symbols. After you've entered your email and clicked the submit button, Discord will send you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. You might need to wait a few minutes for this email to arrive, so be patient. It's also a good idea to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Open the email from Discord. You'll find a button or a link that says something like Reset Password or Change Password. Click on this button or link. Clicking the link will open a new page in your browser where you can set a brand new password for your Discord account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, make sure it's something you can remember, but also difficult for others to guess. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, click the Submit or Update button. Congratulations! Your Discord password has now been successfully reset and you can log back into your account.